Today we're going to make a classic origami gift box like this one. Start with a square piece of paper and you fold it in half one way, then you open it up and fold it in half the other way. Next, you take each corner and fold it to the center. Now you take each side and fold it to the center. And I'm going to pre-fold the other sides to the center just because it's easier. And now we're going to fold our box up. I've got two sides. Then you're going to open one side and fold one side in and the other side in and fold your box back over. And then we do the same to the other side. Open it up. Fold one side in. Fold the other side in. And then fold that back over. And you have a little box. If you want to make a bottom for the box, you cut your next piece of paper 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 centimeter smaller than the one you're using for a lid. When I was a little girl, I had a set of boxes that my mother made that had about 30 boxes in it, just each one smaller than the other.